Buddhāvataṃsaka Flower Ornament Sutra. Chapter 1. The Wonderful Adornments of the Leaders of the Worlds. The Buddha's spiritual powers are unlimited, filling the boundless reaches of all time. Even if one spent countless eons constantly observing, one would never be wearied or jaded. Observe the realms of Buddha's mystic power. All lands in all quarters are beautifully pure. He appears therein in every one, instantaneously changing in infinite forms. If you observe the Buddha for countless ages, you won't apprehend even the extent of one hair. The Buddha's countless doors of techniques illumine inconceivably many fields. Buddha, in past ages in the world, served an infinite ocean of Buddhas. Therefore, all beings are like river rapids, coming to make offerings to the world-honored one. The Buddha appears everywhere, in infinite lands, in each atom, the realms therein being all infinite too. In all he abides for endless eons. Buddha of yore, for the sake of all beings, cultivated an ocean of boundless compassion, entering birth and death along with all beings, teaching the masses, making them pure. Buddhas abide in the matrix of the cosmos of real thusness. Signless, formless, free from all taints, when beings observe Buddha's various bodies, all their troubles and pains then dissolve. Furthermore, the enlightening being, great brilliance of the moon, reflected in the ocean, the great spiritual hero, found the door of liberation, producing the means of transcendence pertaining to each stage of enlightenment, thereby edifying sentient beings and purifying all Buddha lands. The enlightening being, undefiled treasury of light of oceans of cloud-like sounds, found the door of liberation in every instant of awareness, entering into the various distinctions of all objective realms. The enlightening being, top-knot born of wisdom, found the door of liberation, revealing pure great virtues to all sentient beings when they first arrive at the sight of enlightenment. The enlightening being, brave lotus topknot, found the door of liberation, revealing all the Buddha teachings to sentient beings in accord with their infinite faculties and understandings.